This is my current working prototype of myWFM, a role-based workforce management system. This is still an early stage build, but today I will walk you through only the features that are functional right now end to end. The system starts with a role-based login screen. Here I can select a role like agent, team leader, manager or WFM admin. Once I initiate login, I'll see a scanner style authentication flow, and based on selected role, the users is redirected to the corresponding dashboard. This is the agent dashboard. On the left, the agent can see their leave balance summary and live team activity feed that simulates real-time actions. At the top, we have live operational metrics like minimum required headcount, live availability, coverage, gap, and SLA forecasts. These updates dynamically. In the leave planner, agents can select available dates from the calendar. Dates are visually marked as green, amber, or locked based on capacity. Once the dates are selected, the agent can submit a leave request. Agent can also submit their weekly shift preference and weekly off preference with built-in validation. For example, only 2 weekly offs are allowed. After submission, the agent gets a confirmation notification and the request moves to the team leader. Now on the team leader dashboard, we can see live team metrics, shrinkage indicators, and pending leave requests. When an agent submits leave request, it appears here. TL can approve, reject, suggest an alternative date, or escalate the request. If the TL suggests an alternative, the suggestion is sent back to the agent in real time. If the request is escalated, it moves up to the manager. This is the manager dashboard, which focuses on higher level control. Here, manager can see organizational headcount, buffer, and SLA impact. Escalated leave requests appear as a critical escalations, where the manager can either approve or deny them. Manager can also adjust the SLA target using a slider. You will see the required headcount and performance indicator respond immediately. Finally, this is the WFM admin control. Admin can define global capacity rule like minimum headcount and shrinkage buffer. Admin can also provision new users, assign roles, and broadcast critical system alerts, which instantly appears across all active dashboards. There is also live performance stream and forecast visualization simulating real-time workforce data.